very special episode of Wando Tales. Today, we're going to do our van tour.
So this is our 2008 Dodge Sprinter van. It's a 2500 and it had 70,000 miles on it when we bought it. A couple of things that we did to upgrade the van. We put a custom light bar at the bottom, and we actually did that in Mexico, and it was key for all the potholes at night. We also painted the bottom black, which kind of gives it a more sporty look.
I want to show you one of our new builds here. This is built on a Sprinter 170 extended chassis, so this is going to be the longest van that you can buy. Let's step inside and I'll show you some of the things we've got going.
What's up world, Chris here with Active Van Conversions. Behind me is our latest van conversion. This is on a 2024 Mercedes Sprinter 170 all-wheel drive. We did our Cypress Plus 170 floor plan. We got the rooftop tent and 2 captain's chairs. Let's show you around.
Hi, I'm Kaylee from Freedom Vans, and today I wanted to give you a van tour of our latest project. This van is for a woman in Santa Cruz who is going to be living in her van for months at a time. Our goal with this design was to create a really light and airy space that would be comfortable to spend long amounts of time in.